Student life at Palos Verdes High School is all about getting involved and feeling connected. From leadership opportunities to school-wide events, there are so many ways to make your mark and be a part of something bigger.
ASB stands for Associated Student Body. Without ASB, there really wouldn't be as much spirit as there is here at PV High on campus.
The biggest events we do is HOCO, formal, class comps, and a bunch of rallies. These events are mostly just for people to feel included and super involved within the school.
Be the Change is a leadership organization on campus that emphasizes involving all the students and hosting a variety of events through community service.
Coming into high school from a pretty small middle school, BTC really gave me the outlet to meet people from all different grades and get involved with activities I wouldn't normally.
Linker is really important to all the freshmen because before and after school starts, it gives them an idea of what campus is going to be like.
It helped me transition into high school smoother because I didn't really know much coming in.
At PVHS, students are supported every step of the way. With counselors, wellness programs, and dedicated spaces on campus, we make sure every student feels heard, supported, and ready to succeed.
Counselors are able to consult with students and families regarding students' well-being personally, socially, and emotionally. And then, of course, academically.
We are with our students from 9th grade to 12th grade. Your counselor is assigned to you by last name, which means that I've had the opportunity to work with some families for almost a decade.
In the Wellness Center, you can kind of relax a little bit more, be quiet, you can listen to music, you can lay on the couch, or you can come in and this is where it kind of connects with the SAGE therapist. You feel like you need to talk to somebody, you can always come in and ask if we're available. You can have a quick session with us, or you can meet regularly.
King's Corner is like a common space. You can come in anytime you have free time. They study, they play games. We have a couple TVs. We have print stations so they can do their homework.
The Cove is a space on campus that's really designed to be an entertainment center for kids. There's ping pong, foosball, cornhole that students can use during breaks, meet other kids and talk with one another and really just have fun while you're at school.
Clubs are a huge part of life at PV High. Whether you're exploring a passion, trying something new, or finding your community, there's a club here for everyone.
Native American Student Association meets once a month. It's very cool being a freshman and kind of having my own place on campus.
Gay Straight Alliance gives freshmen and underclassmen who maybe don't know what their place is on campus yet, a space where they could come and make friends, everyone's welcome, and they always will have someone to be able to talk to and hang out with.
In the library, we host the actual library book club. We also host an annual chess tournament, annual Uno tournament. We've done a bake-off, a tabletop gaming club.
Friendship Club is where we have lunch and we play games with the students with disabilities. I think it's very important for us to connect the entire school as a whole community, and we work with the Friendship Foundation.
Empowerment on the Runway is a part of Project Runway that gives the kids in the Life Skills Center an opportunity to shine.
It introduces them to the students in the Life Skills Center and makes them have friends on campus.
Project Runway is PV High's largest student-run club. We host one annual student-run fashion show. We have a position for everybody. This year we raised $26,000 and we were able to grant 2 wishes for kids.
PV High isn't just a school, it's a community. We're so excited to welcome the class of 2030 and support you on your journey. We can't wait to have you. And for Live from 205, I'm Norma Nolan.